आज ही आए हो पिछले 2-3 दिन से हो?
It's for you.
टाइट हो गया ना थोड़ा सा सर थोड़ा
what I look into when I'm with any brand, be it fitness or anything, is if I would use that brand in my real life myself, right? That's the first thing. I don't want to be one of those guys who people are like, yeah, asli mein use karta hoga ki nahi, right? So if any brand that I endorse, I'll make sure that I'm somebody who's also a consumer. So the first thing that when I signed up with the ProBurst is what is their ideology? It's exactly what I believe in. If you know the kind of shows that I do, the kind of activities I do, they're not bodybuilding exercises, but they all need a certain degree of fitness. If I'm going on a bike trip, if I'm going trekking, if I'm doing tasks, if I'm running, if I'm doing all those squadron activities, any sports that I play, you need to be fit. And that's exactly what I got from ProBurst, because they believe in fitness. They believe in nutrition that is very important. India mein, you don't get so much protein from your food. How much?
82%.
82% of the country is protein deficient. So on a daily everyday need, you need protein, or wo complete nahi hoti. So that is why we have come together, because I believe that proper nutrition is essential, not just for a certain kind of sport, just for daily living, just for being alive and active. You go to school, you go to college, you go to office, every day you're so active, you need that kind of protein. I'm not saying you have to be a professional sportsman. Agar protein aapko chahiye to professional sportsman and bodybuilder. Nahi. Every human being like you are standing right now, you're active, you go to different stalls, you'll go for another press conference, you need protein. So that is why it's so important for different kind of people to be part of a brand. So I am there, Yogeshwar is there, different people are there, so that people understand कि यार सबके लिए protein है, देश का protein है, right? I think when people go play badminton in their society in the evenings, even they need protein, because अपने body का daily intake कितना होता है? 25% of what your body weight is. So a lot of these things,
minimum 1 gram, 1.2.
bringing this awareness, 1.25 of your body weight,
yes,
right, is also important. So the brand is not just saying कि यार हमें एक तरीके का प्रमोशन करना है, वो कह रहे हैं अवेयरनेस चाहिए प्रोटीन के बारे में, सप्लीमेंटेशन के बारे में, न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में. तो जब ये 2-3 चीज़ें मिली, I was like, this is where I want to be, and I'm really happy. If you see the kind of people all of us are, we're similar, our interests are similar, we watch similar stuff when it comes to sports. We also, anything that I'm doing, they're part of. Anything that they're doing, I'm trying to be part of it. So that's what I do, man. अगर मेरे को कोई brand पसंद आता है, उनके लोग पसंद आते हैं, then I'm part of it.